All right, so I wanted to share with everyone how the duct cleaning or car detailing scams are working. Um, the this was what somebody posted in one of the Facebook groups that the duct cleaning scam that's out there that says PM us for scheduling and so forth. And so this is the person. His name is Logan Victor on Facebook. I'm pretty sure it says new Facebook account, so he just recently created the account clearly. So it's probably not who it says it is. Wouldn't put too much stock into the name or the picture. Um, and so I replied to him as he requested, "Hey, I'm looking to get my ducts clean." And he said, "Hi, Scott. Thanks for taking interest in our service. May I know how big is your house in terms of square feet and how many AC units are there?" Which doesn't make any sense because if you're cleaning ducts, it's going to be one AC unless it's a huge house, but we just have one. Sorry, I was on a meeting because I didn't reply right away. I told him 2,700 square feet. I did not really give him details about my own house, except that it is just one AC unit. And then got it. So for duct cleaning will cost you $299, and in this price, we will be cleaning all the air ducts, all the air vents of your house, main lines and return lines would be clean. Free inspections of the dryer, furnace, and AC are included in the package. And if anything needs to be done, it knows my text will better guide you on the spot. And by the way, should I tell you my available dates? It's, not, it's the grammar is a little not exactly the way we would speak here in this part of the world. So again, cause for concern, but okay. So now what he then went silent for a while. I don't know why. And then the following morning, I said, guess I'll look for a different contractor because I really wanted to see how far he would go with this. Sounds good. So how about getting your job done sometime second week of October? So clearly he did not read the message or understand the message. And then asked if there was nothing sooner. He said, no, we're all booked up for first week of September. So again, an error, but I could see that error being made by somebody, so I'm not going to fault him for that. So perfect. So for the reservation purpose, I need your complete house address and contact info. I gave him a fake address, combined a street name with one town and a different town. And in a contact, I just made up a phone number. Perfect. So for the exact time and date, I will let you know a few days prior to the appointment. So I really was trying to push them. I need to narrow it down before then. So can I plan to have someone there? So I can plan to have someone there. So perfect. Closer to the week, I'll reach out again. Clearly, he's not paying attention to what I was asking. Puts his thumbs up, and then I ask him, "So what is your business name and license number?" Name of the company is Dan's Duct Work or Duct Cleaning. Sorry. License and insurance documentation can be shown on the spot. I did a quick Connecticut search for this business. There is no business named Dan's Duct Cleaning in Connecticut. So there is no such business, and license number should be made available upon request, which is true. If you have a contractor's license in Connecticut or any state, it should be made available. And most contractors put them on their websites. You can't do anything with the license except pretend you're somebody else. I'm aware of the scam and just wanted to see how far you would take it. Now I can share this on social media, which is exactly what I'm planning to do. He then sends me this picture. So it does say Dan's Duct Cleaning, and then it has a New Jersey phone number. I said, okay, let me check New Jersey. Check New Jersey for the same information. Again, nothing. Please do share the scam. I'd love to see how the owner has to respond. I would love to see how the owner has to, again, grammar not that great. Well, how about you put me in touch with the owner so I can tell him how to properly advertise and promote a business? Your scam is all over Facebook numerous times per day. Are you aware that every state has a database of business available to the public? Up to the company how to promote it, right? Take it or leave it. Dan's Duct Cleaning does not come up in New Jersey or Connecticut. Better yet, I will just call the number, which I did do, and somebody did answer. They just said hello. And I asked if it was Dan's Duct Cleaning, and he said yes. Unfortunately, I had to jump on a meeting right at that very moment, so I'll follow up with that later. I'm not going to sue. He told me to sue. I said, I'm not going to sue, which really nothing I can sue for, but I'm just going to make you famous. Famous for, famous then, not sure what that means. And why would I ever work with a business that isn't even registered? And clearly he got annoyed and he now blocked me. So this is how it goes. I would assume what'll happen is he'll call me the week before and tell me they need a deposit. They are motivated to carry this scam through. So something to look for on Facebook. Do not fall for the scam. If a business wants you to PM them to set up appointments or get details, just don't do it.